Great morning everyone. Today we will start chapter number 4. It's exercise 4.4 in which we will discuss equation of lines parallel to x-axis and y-axis. In the previous classes of chapter 4 we have discussed about linear equation in two variable, means how we find their solution, how we will represent it on the xy plane, means Cartesian plane, and now we will discuss equation of lines parallel to x-axis and y-axis. So let's start question number 1, that is y is equal to 3. This is the equation in one variable and we have to represent it as a one variable on the number line, means we have to give their geometrical representation. आपको क्या करना है, इसकी geometrical representation देनी है on the x axis, means on the number line, and you have to give its geometrical representation as a two variable in the Cartesian plane. तो आप इसको दो तरह से represent करेंगे. First representation will be on the number line as a one variable and second representation will be on the Cartesian plane as a two variable. Now as a one variable this is y is equal to 3. So we will take our number line. In this number line we will take the integers and on the integer 3 we will represent it as y is equal to 3. आप इसे कैसे represent करेंगे, y is equal to 3 की form में. So this is a representation, means geometrical representation as a one variable on the number line. Now in case of two variable, how we will convert y is equal to 3 as a two variable? We can convert it as 0 into x plus y is equal to 3. In this way we can convert into two variable. Now same as in the previous question, we can find two or more solutions. We can find two or more solutions by taking the term of variable x on the right hand side. Now put x is equal to 0. So the first solution will be y is equal to 3. Again put x is equal to 1. When x is 1, the value of y again becomes 3. Now when x is equal to 2, the value of y becomes again 3 minus 0 is equal to 3. Means at every value of x, means x के place पे अगर आप कोई भी value put करते हैं, you will get the value of y3 that will be constant. So now I am writing here the solutions 0, 3, 1, 3 and 2, 3. Now we can write the table. There is the value of x and y 0, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3. Now we will form our xy plane. And in the xy plane we will take our values along x-axis and along y-axis. Now place the solutions. Our first solution, that is 0, 3 will be here. Our next solution is x1, y3. It will be in front of 1, that is 1, 3. And the next solution is 2, 3. Means all the points will be in the straight line. Now we can pass a straight line from these points and this straight line will be parallel to x-axis. ये straight line किसके parallel आ जाएगी, हमारी x-axis की, and this is equal to y is equal to 3. In this way we can represent our equation y is equal to 3 in the Cartesian plane, and this equation is parallel to x-axis. Our topic was equation of a line parallel to x-axis and y-axis. So this is the equation विच इज़ इन द फॉर्म ऑफ y विच इज़ पैरेलल टू x एक्सिस। मीन्स जो भी इक्वेशन आपकी y वेरिएबल की फॉर्म में होगी इट विल बी पैरेलल टू x एक्सिस। वो किसके पैरेलल होगी? x एक्सिस के पैरेलल। सेम एज वी हैव क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकेंड, एंड इन दिस क्वेश्चन वी हैव द इक्वेशन 2x प्लस 9 इज इक्वल टू 0। हमारे पास जो इक्वेशन है वो है 2x प्लस 9 इज इक्वल टू 0। सो आई एम राइटिंग द स्टेटमेंट ऑफ क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकेंड, that is 2x plus 9 is equal to 0. Now we will take our constant term 9 in the right hand side, means firstly we will find the value of x। आप इसका सोल्यूशन करेंगे और x की वैल्यू फाइंड करेंगे। यहाँ से x की वैल्यू क्या आ जाती है हमारी? -4.5। दिस इज द वैल्यू ऑफ x। नाउ वी कैन फॉर्म अ नंबर लाइन, and in this number line we will represent the number positive integers on the right hand side and negative integers on the left hand side. Our number is x is equal to -4.5. This number will be between -4 and -5, just in its mid. It will represent x is equal to -4.5, means 2x plus 9 is equal to 0. So this is the representation of the given equation as a one variable on the number line. ये कैसी representation है? As a one variable on the number line. Now we will represent it as the two variable. आप इसे two variable में convert करेंगे, and in the two variable we can write it as like this. We can write it as like this. Now this equation is in the two variable. Now we will take the term of y in the right hand side. Now we will take 2 in the denominator. So this will become the value of x. Now by putting the value of y in the right hand side, we will form the values of x. आप x की values find करेंगे. So firstly we will write here, put y is equal to 0. Put y is equal to 0. Then find the value of x. X will be equal to -9 minus 0 into 0 divided by 2. By its solution the value of x will become -4.5. Same as by putting y is equal to 1, the value of x becomes -9 minus 0 into 1 divided by 2. Again it will be -4.5. Same as for y is equal to 2, the value of x will be same. x की वैल्यू क्या आ जाएगी हमारे पास? सेम आ जाएगी, -4.5. Now we will form the table. In this table there are the values of x and there are the values of y. In front of x we will write -4.5, -4.5, -4.5, and in front of x 0, 1, sorry, in front of y 0, 1 and 2. These are the values of y and these are the values of x. Now we will form the graph. To form the graph we will make x and y axis. मैं इसी ग्राफ को कन्वर्ट करती हूँ इन एक्स वाई प्लेन, कार्टेशियन प्लेन में. देयर विल बी 1, 2, 3, 4, -1, -2, -3, -4. Now firstly the first point, that is -4.5, 0. This point will be same. Second point -4.5, 1. It will be in front of 1, this point. And the second, that is for y is 2. All the points will be in the straight line, and when we draw a line passes through these points, it will be parallel to y axis. ये किसके पैरेलल होगा? हमारा y axis के पैरेलल होगा. तो जो इक्वेशन हमारी x वेरिएबल में होगी that will be parallel to y axis, और कोई इक्वेशन अगर y वेरिएबल में होगी that will be parallel to x axis. So these will be the equation which will be parallel to x axis and y axis. So this was our exercise 4.4.